Dance and laugh, sing and play, jazz and tap and ballet. Come on, dancers, welcome in. Let's dance with Miss Catherine. Dance with Miss Catherine.
Hi, and welcome to Dance with Miss Catherine. Oh my gosh, today Amethyst and I are so excited to see you because what do I have on? I have on my beautiful ballet shoes because we're gonna do ballet. Okay, Amethyst, what's that? Oh, yes, I can tell them that. Amethyst is so excited because today we are going to do our sautés. What's that? Oh, yeah, good thinking, Amethyst. Amethyst just reminded me that maybe you don't know what a sauté is because sauté is a French word, and in ballet we use a lot of French words. Sauté means to jump. Ready, Amethyst? She's going to do some jumps. Jump, jump, jump. Yay! So can you say that? Say sauté means to jump. Go. Sauté means to jump. Do you like to jump? Amethyst sure does. All right, well, thank you so much, Amethyst, for being here. She's going to sit and watch while we do our jumps. So, jumping like a regular person. Let's try it out because we already know how to do that. So hands on your hips. And now let's jump like a regular person. 1, 2, 3, jump, 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 jumping, jumping, jump. Okay, that was cool. But I wonder, what do I do to make my jump be like a dancer? Okay, I know. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you a regular person jump, and then I'm going to show you a dancer sauté, and I want to see if you can spot the difference, okay? All right. So, ready? Regular person jumps, go. Jump, 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 jump. And now, whoop, dancer jumps. Dancer sauté. Again. Dancer sauté. Good. So, could you spot one difference between my regular person jump and my dancer sautés? What's that? Bent knees. Yes. Oh, there's so many. You're telling me so many. Bent knees is one. So when we jump like a regular person, our knees bend. Look, bending my knees when I jump up. But when I dance sauté like a dancer, my knees are straight in the air. Can you watch my knees? Did you see how they were straight in the air? That's one difference. So sautés have straight knees, and we do that by pushing down into the floor with our rocket toes. So remember, I bend my knees, and when I push, my feet demi-point and push off the ground, like I have laser beams coming out of my toes, flames coming my toes, making a hole in the floor. So when I go up, I'm actually pushing down. Let's try together. Bend, and now your flames are gonna shoot a hole in the floor. So you're actually gonna think, hole in the floor, push my toes down, even though we're jumping up. Trust me, it works. 1, 2, 3, blast off, push down. Good, I see your knees were straighter there. Okay, so straight knees, number 1. Sautés have straight knees. Okay, what's number 2? Let's see. Jump, 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 jump. Regular person jumps, come join me. Okay, stop. Now let's see, let's look at my sautés. Sauté. Sauté. Did you see the other difference? Did you see it? Did you notice in my regular person, I was going jump, 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 and my body was moving all over the place. And my bum was sticking out. See, watch. Jump, 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 jump. And in my dancer sauté, did you see that my body stayed straight? And I didn't lean forward. It was like I was sliding up and down a wall. Watch. Plie, rocket toes, plie, stretch. Did you see that? And how do we do that? You know, that's right, our puppet string. So remember, we go boop, and we press our puppet string. It can be anywhere, your puppet string button. Mine's on my nose. Could be on your forehead, could be on your chest, could be on your shoulders. But when we press it, boop, our string pulls us up tall. Okay, so we have rocket toes pushing down into the floor for straight knees in our sautés, and our body is puppet string pulling us up tall so our body stays straight, and we pretend we're jumping, a wall is behind us so our seat doesn't stick out. And what's the last one? Hint, look at my feet and my arms. Ready? Regular person jump. Jump, 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 jump. Look at my arms, look at my feet. Okay, now look at my sautés and look at my arms and my feet for my dancer sautés. Again, watch my arms and my toes. Okay, did you see the difference? I bet you did. What happened with my arms? That's right, in regular person jumps, they're just like kind of flopping. Maybe they're on my hip, maybe they're moving. But in my dancer sautés, they stay glued to my hips. And did you see my feet in regular person jumps? They were kind of looking straight up because my knees were bending. But in my dancer sautés, because of my rocket toes, my toes push down as I come up. Look at my toes. 1, 2, 3, push down. You did it. You got all 3 differences. So now you know how to do a sauté in parallel in ballet. Would you like to do some dancer sautés with me? Oh my gosh, thank you. I would love to do dancer sautés with you. And now we have 3 things to think about, okay? Straight knees, tall body, hands on our hips and pointed toes. Sometimes when we're first learning, trying to do all 3 things at the same time, oh, ay, ay, ay. So if that feels like a little bit much, let's focus on one thing. So you can choose to focus on keeping your hands on your hips, or you could focus on keeping your body tall with your puppet string, or you can focus on making your knees and legs straight as you jump. Have you decided what you want to focus on? Great. And let's try it together. Here we go. So hands on our hips. Ready? And plie, rocket toes, plie, stretch. Plie, rocket toes, plie, stretch. Plie, sauté, rocket toes, plie, stretch. Plie, sauté, rocket toes, plie, stretch. That was beautiful. I see that the one thing you were focusing on, you did really, really well. Shall we try it again? Yes? Okay, hands on our hips. Oh, did you notice something? Did you notice that at the beginning of the jump, I said plie, and then I said rocket toes, and then I said plie again. So at the beginning of our jump, let's have a big plie, and at the end of our sauté, let's have a big plie, because you know what? The higher the jump, it comes from the plie. So the more you plie, the higher your jump is. Isn't that amazing? Let's try it. So let's do a little plie. Little plie, rock toes. Little plie, stretch. Oh, again with a little plie. Little plie, rock toes. Little plie, stretch. Oh, we could do it like that, but that didn't feel magnificent. Let's try it with a deeper plie. And remember, our bum stays above our knees. So now lay down here. Then we'll never get up. So hands on our hips. Let's do a bigger plie. Bigger plie, rocket toes. Big plie, stretch. Big plie, rocket toes. Big plie, stretch. That sauté felt amazing. Okay, let's do 4 more all together. So hands on our hips, feet and legs together. Boop. Puppet string pulls us tall, and big smiles. Here we go. Big plie, rocket toes, sauté. Big plie, stretch. 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 Oh my goodness. That was fantastic. I am so proud of you. There was a lot of pieces to our dancer saute, but you focused your attention and put effort into it, and you did it with love and joy in your heart. And look at you now. You can do a saute. I'm so proud of you. I can't wait to see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Did you love dancing with us? Then hit that subscribe button so you can dance along every week. And grown-ups, check the description below for all the info about our classes. Bye-bye!
It's time to go, we're almost done. We learned to dance and had such fun. Come back soon, there's always room to dance with Miss Catherine. Dance with Miss Catherine.